This is a smoker that I use for normally smoking hog, beef, poultry. And what we do is we'll start it up. It runs off propane, but inside we got a tray that holds wood, and that propane will go and start heating the wood and get the slow smoke, and then it'll catch the wood on fire, and then I'll shut that down and finish it off with wood. And what I do is I take pork butt and put it in 10 trays, and I put my ingredients on it, my liquid ingredients. And what we got here, we got 8 trays. There's 150 pounds of hog meat right here. It's 8 trays, submerged, soaking, smoking with apple wood, and I smoke with maple. And the stuff that I use, well, is a pop solution, and it'll cook, and as it cooks, it draws the sugar through the meat and the acid through the meat. It tenderizes and sweetens, also smokes the meat, and it'll take around 12 hours to 14 hours for this process to be done. And when it's done, you can pull it straight off the bone, sweet, smoked ham, and that's pretty well it on that process on this. We like to keep this at about 250 degrees. I'm going to lock over here, that way I can let go of it and do what I need to do. And then I'll just come over here and pull my lights, lower it down. And we got the temperature gauge. We throw it from 200 to 350 degrees, depending on how the temperature is outside. But tonight, we're going to run 250 and run it for, it's going to be 14, 16 hours. Once it's done, I'll come over and start shutting it down and let it go to slow heat, slow smoke. It'll keep this heated all day, and it just keeps drawing the juices through it. And what you got when you're done is some really delicious meats. Yeah, that's what I use. This is my solution. I prefer 7-Up, but if you can't get 7-Up, Sprite is the way to go. It's more acid and sugar and the 7-Up and the Sprite, but what happens is the heat, you don't want to go past 350, but the heat will activate all the sugars and the acids in it, and will draw it through the meat, tenderize it, sweeten it, and it's just good stuff.